I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by restarting the device to free hung processes. This often clears transient errors. Once done, open Apps or Application Manager and clear the Settings app cache, and if needed, its storage. This removes corrupted temporary files. Next, boot into Safe Mode to determine whether a third-party app causes the crash. Safe Mode disables extra apps so you can isolate the problem. Make sure to note whether Settings still stops while in Safe Mode before moving on. If Settings still stops, check for pending system or Play System updates and install them. Updates often patch crashes. Then reset app preferences. This restores default apps and permissions without erasing your personal files, which can resolve misconfigured handlers. After that, review apps you installed or granted special permissions to just before the issue started, because faulty or misbehaving apps often trigger Settings failures. Once finished, test Settings again to see if the crash is gone. When all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears system-level corruption that repairs cannot. After reset, install essential, trusted apps first and observe Settings behavior to identify the culprit quickly. If problems persist, collect a system log, logcat, or repeatedly test in Safe Mode to isolate the issue further. These diagnostics reveal whether system frameworks or a specific app is responsible. If you need help reading logs, reach out to a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.